Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to copy independent databases in Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the Notion homepage and sign into your account. Once logged in, you'll land on your Notion dashboard. Here's where the real action begins. Find the database you want to copy. On the left side of your database name, look for the 6 dots icon. Hover over those dots, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This command copies your database, getting it ready for a new location in your Notion workspace. Now, decide where you want this new copy to live. Navigate to the page where you'd like to paste the database. Click on that page to open it. Then click inside a text area and press Ctrl+V to paste. At this point, your new database will appear, complete with all the same settings and content as the original. Don't worry, we'll make sure it's fully independent in a moment. If you see a notification from Notion after pasting, simply click Dismiss to clear it and keep your workspace tidy. Congratulations, your new database is now successfully in place. What makes it especially powerful is that it's completely independent of the original, meaning any changes you make here won't affect the source database. To confirm, return to your original page and check. Everything there remains exactly the same, untouched by the duplication process. And that's it. So that is how you can copy independent databases in Notion. So that's all for this video. Thanks.